To trade perpetuals on Axiom, you need an Axiom Pro account. Once you have this account, you can navigate to the Perpetuals section and begin trading. Initially, you may only have Solana in your wallet, so you'll need to swap it for USDC. This can be done by clicking on the deposit option, then selecting Convert, and choosing the amount of Solana you want to exchange. You can enter the amount manually or use the entire balance. After converting your Solana to USDC, you can start buying long or short on the Perpetuals tab, with options to set your leverage, take profit, and stop loss. The platform also features various chart settings, including timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month, as well as the ability to add indicators and customize the appearance of the charts. With these features, you can effectively trade perpetuals on Axiom.